Nurse Julieta Cassius has become the first person in St. Lucia to receive the first dose of the Astra-zeneca COVID-19 vaccine. On Wednesday, the Health Ministry administered the first doses of the COVID-19 vaccine to nurses, doctors, fire and police officers. The historic event was streamed live via NTN, the Government of St. Lucia's Facebook page and YouTube channel. Nurse Cassius, who contracted the virus in March 2020, says she decided to take the shot for added protection for others and herself.
I must say I do not have any side effects up to this day, no long-term effects, so I'm happy about that. Absolutely. So again, receiving the vaccine today, we know about natural immunity, and then I know persons are out there and they're saying, well, I've had the disease, there is no reason for me to take the vaccine. But of course, we know even with natural immunity, it's still not full immunity. Absolutely. So regardless of one having the virus, it is still important that they receive the vaccine. And hence I feel, yes, I need to have that vaccine to continue protecting myself, building more of that antibodies to protect me, to prevent me from being reinfected.
And also to protect others around as well.
Dr. Stephen King was the first doctor to get the shot. He believes that the vaccine is the only way to bring the pandemic under control.
I was very pleased and honored to be one of the first to be vaccinated. I believe that as doctors, and indeed as citizens, we must walk the walk. And I believe in this vaccine, I believe in the science, I trust the science, and I have faith in it. And I want solutions to know that the vaccine is something that we must do if we are to get over COVID. COVID is not something that I think we can live with. COVID is something that we must actually eliminate, and the vaccine is what will allow us to eliminate once we all take the vaccine, and that is why I did it today.
First responders in the fire service are charged with responding to suspected COVID-19 cases. Fire Officer Fernando James revealed that it has been a challenging time handling both COVID-19 cases and executing regular duties.
COVID has actually landed on our shores compared to the other viruses that we've seen on an international basis but never came to St. Lucia. And it has been very challenging for the men and women in St. Lucia Fire Service in terms of responding to not only cases that we may believe may have been confirmed or infected, but the unknown case. And so with all the medical and trauma emergencies and shootings and stabbings, we believe everyone is positive until proven otherwise. So we take all the necessary precautions in infection prevention and control in protecting ourselves, but also caring for the members of the public.
While fire officers attend to COVID-19 cases, police officers are responsible for enforcing COVID-19 protocols. Superintendent of Police Mashama Sili urges others to take the vaccine.
Persons may have their reservations, but it is better to have some measure of protection as opposed to having to worry about contracting the virus, spreading the virus, bringing it home, getting severely ill or possibly dying. So we're happy that the vaccine is available, and I encourage everyone to take the vaccine.
The COVID-19 AstraZeneca vaccine is to be administered in 2 shots. Vaccinated individuals will receive a certificate to indicate the date for the next shot. The second is due 8 to 12 weeks after the first jab. Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.